Hello everyone, what's up? Today we're making these tiny little apple, carrot, and cream cheese pies. Basically, they have everything in them. At this point, it's less of a pie and more of a whole personality. Finely grate 1 carrot and coarsely grate 1 large apple or 2 small ones. And please, for the love of all good desserts, don't finely grate the apple. It'll release too much juice and turn your pie into a sad little soggy disaster. Walnuts are optional, technically, but if you leave them out, your pie might lose all dignity. So the choice is yours. I'm not judging. I absolutely am. Cook it over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until there's no excess liquid left. We want it cooked, not a swamp, but also not a dry dessert. Let's keep the drama balanced. For the pie crust, make sure to sift the icing sugar because those giant sugar rocks are not going anywhere once they're in the dough. Using an electric mixer is easier, but you can do it by hand too, if you're feeling confident about your arm strength and life choices. This yogurt was clearly not interested in cooperating with the plan, but eventually it joined the party. It's better if all the crust ingredients are cold. The dough behaves better, and the final texture will thank you. Add about 2/3 of the flour first and sift it in. If the dough is still sticky, add the rest. Mine was a complete sticky mess and looked like it had given up on life, so I used all of it. Don't knead the dough. Just mix it gently with a spoon. In the end, the dough shouldn't stick to your hands. If it does, it's still emotionally attached to you and needs a little more flour. Roll it out between 2 sheets of parchment paper or inside a plastic bag. Then let it rest in the fridge. Making the cream cheese filling is super easy. No electric mixer needed. Just mix the ingredients in the same order you see in the video. The cream cheese needs to stay cold, and don't overwork it. In general, don't overmix the cream cheese mixture. Dust your work surface with just this much flour. Roll the dough to about 1/2 centimeter thick. Cut it with any cutter shape you like. Mine was 6 centimeters. For the top pieces, use a cute cutter because we're baking tiny, fancy hats for our pies. Honestly, this dough is very easy to work with. It's not one of those doughs that wakes up every morning and chooses violence. This amount made about 14 mini pies. Don't press the filling down too much or pack it tightly, unless your dream is to bite into a compact little ball of sadness. The more cream cheese you put in each pie, the better. You can even double the filling recipe if you're a cheesecake addict. I support your questionable decisions. And here are our tiny, adorable baby pies. You don't have to dust them with icing sugar. I only did it because they wanted to look extra fancy and show off a little. And here's the magic inside. If you eat them with your hands and shove the whole bite in your mouth, you won't have the problem I'm having here. See you in the next video. Bye!